Which e-commerce products are actually working in 2025? And why are some brands scaling while others are crashing and burning? In this video, I'm going to show you the exact trends that are driving growth across tech, skincare, and homeware products. Plus, I'm going to show you a very simple and repeatable system that today's most profitable brands are all using to stay lean and efficient. So if you're looking to build a brand in 2025, 2026, dropship, sell products online, influence products, this is going to be for you. Get out your notebook and let's dive in. Now let's start with tech. More specifically, tech gadgets, where convenience and innovation is driving sales. People hate anything they have to set up. That's the basic thing here. People are drowning in cables, chargers, smart setups that are not easy or smart to set up. The products that are actually converting in tech are not the fanciest. They are the most convenient. Mini projectors turn any blank wall into a movie night. Pocketable, demo-free, and genuinely useful. That 10-second living room to cinema reveal does all the selling for you. Multi-device charging stations erase desk clutter in one shot. 5 devices on one pad, cable chaos gone. Smart plugs are the real gateway to the smart home. They're low cost, they have a tiny footprint, and it just works. LED light strips can spice up any space, and they're super easy to install. And you show that with one before and after clip. Show the transformation. Let's look at a real example right now. If I were selling you the video lights that I use in my home office, I might start like this, and then I would say something like, here's everything you need to make your home office into a video studio by spending $200. You see what I'm saying? Showing is always better than telling. So tech wins when you have your unit economics and your content economics lining up. The products I mentioned, their SKUs are small and light. Freight and storage does not eat into your margin. They fix a visible pain point in seconds. So a 10-second demo does all the selling. That is why I recommend any new brand or any brand looking for a quick bump in sales to focus on accessories. No sizing, a low return risk, year-round demand, and a creator could shoot 5 angles in a single afternoon. If you want more tips on selling tech products or any specific tech products you can sell this year, just comment tech in the comments below. Now, the skincare niche looks way different now too. So let's talk about natural ingredients and innovative formulas. Consumers got smarter. They want products that deliver real results, that have ingredients that they can actually pronounce and feel, where natural stories and scientific proof actually meet in the middle. Snail mucin is a perfect example of this. It's unconventional, yeah, but it hydrates and it repairs, and that unconventionality is actually what made it trend. The appetite for natural, but it works, is driving exploration into bee venom, kelp-based formulas, even tallow. So when you're making your content and your ads, you're not focused on the product itself, you're focused on selling a routine. Skin cycling, day and night kits consistently outsell singular products. And they lock in those subscriptions because they're removing decision fatigue. And they're also making progress very predictable. If you use these 3 products every single day for 2 weeks, your skin will glow. Simple. Speaking of glow products, let's take a closer look. Glow serums, peel-off masks, at-home LED products are dominating short form because viewers can see the payoff instantly. It's built-in proof. So when you're picking products, you gotta make sure that there is a clear end result that you can show visually on screen. Personalization is the other key here. Take Jones Road Beauty. Their TikTok ads push users into a quick beauty quiz that recommends a full cleanser serum cream routine. According to Octane AI, Jones Road's quiz lifted AOV from $60 to $90 with a 16% conversion rate, collecting over 50,000 emails in a single month. That's crazy. The icing on the cake is sustainability. Consumers want reusable pads, biodegradable sheet masks, and refillable containers. A large majority of consumers said they always consider sustainability, and more than half of them are willing to pay more for it. So the business logic here for you is very clean. Small, light products with a healthy markup, strong ingredient storytelling, and baked-in repeat purchases will help grow your e-commerce brand this year. So if you want some trending beauty products that you can sell this year, just comment beauty product in the section below and I'll drop you some for free. Now let's talk about homeware and decor, things that are stylish, functional, and sustainable. That is the trifecta that's really growing sales right now, and it's why simple renter-friendly upgrades are exploding across TikTok and Instagram. Clear acrylic organizers are turning chaotic pantries into organized serenity. And again, the before and after, it sells itself. And because these organizers come in sets, customers usually buy multiples. Renter-friendly upgrades. These products have seen a huge spike. Peel and stick wallpaper, removable backsplash tiles, Command hook shelving, tension rods, these temporary and reversible upgrades that make your space feel like your own. They're perfect for students and apartment dwellers who don't want to lose that deposit. Design dupes like imitation brick panels and mosaic stickers. They deliver this expensive look without that price or permanence. And yes, sustainability still does show up here too. Bamboo organizers, organic cotton throws, recycled decor command a premium because people care about what they live with. Homeware converts largely because it's emotional. You're selling a feeling. Your space is going to feel like your own. It's going to give you more calm energy. It's going to improve your life. Renter-safe, reversible upgrades create dramatic before and after moments that really just market themselves. And most of these items ship flat and light. That keeps damage and costs down, and the modular nature, like packs, sets, kits, that drives multiples in your cart at once. These room refresh kits also boost average order value without extra work. With seasonal updates and sustainable materials, people are willing to pay more. These are impulse buy products with strong margins and low returns. Perfect for a D2C brand. Now, if you want any specific products that I didn't mention here, you want to find more products in this niche, just comment home decor below. Now, what is the common thread between all these winning products? First, they are physically compact. That matters more than ever right now because shipping, storage, and import friction eat margins silently. Second, they are solving an annoying problem for people. Just think about the visuals that you can use in your ad content. Cable chaos cluttering your desk, skincare that burns instead of actually heals, or just rooms that look flat and lifeless. You can feel those pain points just by looking at the ad creative that somebody's showing you, or the TikTok videos, however you're doing it. Either way, you're showing it visually and it's easy to see. And third, these are all social native. A built-in before and after, a time-lapse install, a dramatic reveal when the product demonstrates itself. Your media cost drops because you really only need to take 1 or 2 shots to actually sell this product. And fourth, these are not seasonal, they're year-round products. And they're not dominated by these big corporations yet, so that the smaller creators, the smaller sellers, the smaller influencers like you can actually make a decent amount of money off of them. So here's how the winners think about product sourcing and product selection in 2026. They treat it like a business strategy, not a treasure hunt. So they're ticking all these boxes before they actually select products. The question is not, will it sell? It's, will it sell? Will I keep all my other operations the same? And that means that products are cheap to ship and store. They have low returns and low damage risk, and they are camera ready in 10 seconds or less. If a product can demo itself in one 10-second clip, you've cut down the cost of all your marketing operations. Now again, if you are selling these gadgets, these accessories in 2025, 2026, really focus on bundles, all-in-one solutions. So in tech, you sell a room transformation kit, not just LED strips. In homeware, a pantry refresh system or a renter's upgrade kit that flips an entire space, not just a single wall. When you sell systems or bundles instead of single products, your AOV spikes, your customers see results faster, and they keep coming back for more. So off of that, let's talk about subscriptions. These are not about locking people in. They're about building predictable cash flow based on behaviors that you know your customers already have. So how do most sellers actually blow it? They see a product that's getting a spike in sales and they scramble to figure out how to market it. What I want you to do is flip that on its head. Start with products that are already engineered for organic reach. Look for items that have a built-in transformation, that messy to clean moment, the boring to beautiful reveal, that before and after. That's what sells. So all of this is how you go from 1 or 2 products that you're scrambling to sell to building predictable cash flow with a small e-commerce brand. That's all for right now. If you want more tips and tricks for small e-commerce brands to actually get real wins in 2026, hit subscribe and leave me a comment below and tell me what you want to see more of. You want more trending products in a specific niche, specific marketing tips? Do you want any specific marketing tools? I will make a video just for you. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.